Hi, hello. Long story short, Skeletons Uprising folks, I only abandoned you for a little bit. I'm building my own game engine. Game's on indefinite hiatus. To the long story, I started building my own game engine about a month ago. It would be a month ago the 6th. So right now I was following Brandon, or was it Brandon? I think it was Brandon Galea, his tutorial. So I got the default, the quote unquote default I got of this. I did have textures, but as you can see, there's a bunch of errors. That's because I removed the textures because I was in the middle of restructuring it so it can take like normal maps and specular roughness because it was just like plain color. So here's the main window. Here's my debug window. Now there is a button here. I just haven't made it viewable. As you can see, pressed. So I did have textures. I did have a skybox, but it kind of turned everything gray and it was hard to see. You can't see it right here because it's gray, but there's a little plane right here that defines what 1 meter is, so I can keep track of the scale. I have backface. I had backface culling. I guess I don't anymore, but that's what it is. The reason why I'm building my own UI instead of using GUI is I can immediately figure out how to implement it. So I just said I just said I'll do it. Who needs docking anyway? If I want to, I'll figure it out later. So I got this. I got most of the time Eater was getting into the what's it called, desktop manager Windows manager, and changing around these title bars, which I actually got way more into than I should. That's an issue. I didn't see that. So I added a little icon, got like titles, changed the colors. And now since all programs are inherently a woman, they never tell you what truly is wrong and only give you a vague idea. I was getting an error saying like language is not a number. Don't know what that means. Long story short, apparently I just needed to add this because it wasn't there. So yeah, that's basically the overview of what I have within this past month. Didn't get nearly as much as I wanted to. Been slacking a lot, but that was the update. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.